Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, More Destiny. Hey to all my new subscribers, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve my look with my synthetic Outre penny wig. It was only $15.72 before shipping. After shipping, it was $24.99. If I'm not mistaken. All the details will be in the description box. So right here, I'm just applying some coconut oil to the rubber band to tie my hair up with it so it doesn't pull my hair. And yeah, this is how my braid out is looking. Do not judge me. I'm not a professional. So right here, I'm just showing you guys that the wig comes with 2 combs and it has an elastic band to tighten it. It has one in the front and one in the back. So right now, I'm just applying the combs into my head. I did not use a wig cap under it. That is your choice. You could put one on, but I did not put one on. So right here, you just see me going through the wig, and I'm just going through, taking my hands, taming the curls, just making it fuller, playing with it, you know, stretching the curls out. I would not recommend using a comb because, again, this is a synthetic wig, so you do not want it to tangle. Using my hands, it worked perfectly fine, so I would recommend using your hands. You don't need to put anything on this wig at all. It comes perfect out of the pack. And yes, this wig was $15.72 again, and I got it from Wig Types, and I will leave the wig link in the description box. So yeah, I'm just going through, detangling it with my hands, making it bigger, you know, just playing around with it. I'm going to use my wine curl, and I have the heat on 25. Yeah. So if you, I would recommend for my natural people to, you know, flexi ride your hair in very small sections the day before, so you don't have to put any heat to your hair. Remington wine color. I wonder if that's gonna be backwards on camera. You get it. You get the point. You know, kind of natural effect. Like, just because it's a synthetic wig, you don't have to know that. You wear it and you dress it up to make it look good. So that's why I'm leaving hair out, to make it look more natural. It is completely up to you. And so what I do with the wine curl, I just simply wrap my hair around it and I'm just twirling it. And be careful to not burn yourself. I do not have gloves, so that's why I am holding it on the black tip. It is not quite hot. So this is how it should come out. Make sure you do small sections to kind of blend in with the wig's curl pattern. So yes, right here, I'm still going in, taking small pieces, and I'm using my wine curl to curl it. You want to curl it away from your face so it's not going towards your face and it looks weird. I curl away from my face, so I wrap the hair going away from my face, as you see right here, and I just wrap it around the wand curler, and I twist the wand curl also going away from my face. And so yeah. Okay, so now I'm going in with hairpins, as you see me just show you, and I'm going to do some pinholes with the wand curls I have already did, and basically pin curling it just basically gives it a tighter hold while I am going ahead and doing the other side. So I decided to pin curl it so it could be a little bit tighter and a little bit closer to the wig curl pattern and last a little bit longer. This part is completely optional as well. I just decided to go ahead and do this. Okay, so now what I'm going in and doing, I'm going in and I'm removing all the pins from the curls in my hair. I'm going in and I'm removing all of the pins. And so then once you remove the pins, you just want to separate each curl one by one. You do not want to use a comb to do this. You want to take your hands and you just want to separate the curl to make it more fuller and give it that more fuller look. So now I'm going in with the comb to fluff my hair out and fluff the curls out. I'm not really combing it. I'm just taking the comb and running it over, and I'm using my hands to pick it out and give it that look that I want to go with. So basically I'm just playing around with the hair, and you just play around with it, get the feel for it, see what style you want, see how you want it to look. Again, leaving hair out in the front is completely optional, so you could completely avoid this step if you don't too much care for it. Okay, so right here I'm just basically going in with the comb, making sure it covers the wig, because just because it's a wig, that doesn't mean that it cannot be shown. So I'm going over making sure that I cover where the wig starts at, so you cannot see or tell that. And I'm just going in and fluffing out my hair because, baby, you want it to look like you're giving natural. I'm giving you very much so natural. Because, like, honestly, if no one knows me, like, you would think this was my hair. So that's how you want it to look. You want to go in and make it look as natural as possible. So yeah, that's it for this video. That's how I achieve this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Until next time.